Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I want to talk about something that I feel everyone should know before they start trying to make money online. All right, and it's very, very simple. Look, all right, most of the popular ways to make money online will require you to do some sort of marketing. All right. And I'm telling you this because a lot of people get into, trying to make money online and they do all this research and looking up all these different methods. But they have no interest in like marketing. They're not into promoting. They're not into, sharing links and things like that. So they usually don't find a lot of success when it comes to trying to make money online. Now, why I say most things require some sort of promotion or marketing. Think about it. All right. What's some of the most popular ways that people make money online? Right. One of them, a lot of people talk about affiliate marketing. Right. That actually has marketing in the title. Now, this is making a lot of people a lot of money. This is actually one of my favorite ways to make money online, affiliate marketing. But with affiliate marketing, you must, right, be ready to promote. And that means, pick a platform, whether it be YouTube, whether it be Facebook, whether it be TikTok, whether it be Instagram, Pinterest. I mean, there's endless options for where you can promote, your affiliate products. But you have to know, to be successful with affiliate marketing, you're gonna need to promote. All right. Another popular way to make money online is network marketing, right? Again, it has marketing in the title and it's very similar to affiliate marketing. You definitely need to be willing to promote and get out there and share your opportunity with people. Some people, they see affiliate marketing, network marketing, like, oh no, I ain't into all that marketing stuff. Nah, that ain't me. So what they do, they get a Shopify store, right? They're like, yo, I want a Shopify store, right? And it sounds great because Shopify is everywhere. They got ads everywhere. They talk about how easy it is to set up your Shopify store and start generating sales, right? That's cool. But here's the problem. A lot of people, they do all the work. They're like, oh, I want to sell, this or fitness equipment or t-shirts or whatever. They get a Shopify store, right? Now what? Right? You got the store set up. And I think a lot of people, they forget, like, once the store set up, how are you going to get people to your store, right? You have to figure out how to do that. And that's going to require marketing, promotion. And that takes it right back to, how are you going to promote it? YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, wherever, right? And that, it's something that you have to have, right? If you want to be successful, with your Shopify store. Now, another popular way to make money online is by being a social media manager, right? This is where people, they work for companies and they do all of their social media posting, whether it be Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. A lot of people are like, yo, I want to do that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I could do that. That's not no marketing or promoting or nothing like that. Yes, it is, because once again, how are you going to get clients, right? How are you going to get clients? You're going to have to, once again, figure out your platforms you want to use, but you're going to have to create content and you're going to actually have to get people to your offer and make people aware that you do social media managing, right? And these are the most popular ways that I currently know of to make a significant amount of money online. And all of these things will require you to have a marketing mentality. You know what I'm saying? You have to be willing to learn and implement some marketing strategies to be successful. It's just how it is. Now, are there some ways to make money online where you don't have to necessarily do a lot of promoting? Honestly, the only thing I could think of is if you do things like, investing, right? But that's kind of like long-term game. I know some people do like day trading, Forex trading, all that stuff. It takes some investment, it takes some learning, But actually, you can make money without having to promote anything, right? You just have to learn the trade of, the skill of trading, right? So people do that. eBay, you can list stuff on eBay still. People still make money with that. But even that requires a little bit of marketing, because you're going to want to let people know that what you're selling on eBay. And you could do that by talking about, what you have to offer on other platforms. So even eBay is kind of like, you might want to do a little promotion with that as well. Then you want to think about, like, some people might think, well, I could do freelance work, right? I ain't got to promote that, do I? Yeah, I'm going to say you do. Because yes, you can sign up for places like, freelancer.com, Fiverr, and what's the other one? Upwork, right? Places like that. You can sign up for those, create really cool profiles, offer your free work, your freelance work services, and you could get some gigs. That's true. That's real. But at some point, you're probably going to want to promote that you are a freelancer, and you're going to want to do that using marketing, using other platforms to let people know about your services. So even with freelance work, it's going to require some sort of marketing, promotion, right, from you. So just keep that in mind before you get into the whole I want to make money online world, because in most cases you're going to have to promote. Now, once you are aware of that and you have no problem, with getting out there, sharing your opportunities, sharing what you had to offer, once you realize that, you are going to be good to go, because making money online is a real thing and a lot of people are doing it, and you can make a lot of money if you find the right thing and you stick with it and work it. Now, if you want to see how I make money online every month and how you can do the same thing, you want to watch this video right here, right now.